Hey there, people. Today's Friday and there's supposed to be a heat advisory, and this is what my parking lot looks like. My wife had to park out on the street, and then my nice neighbor lady has a flat tire, so I think we're just gonna bring the jack over and do it right in her driveway. I got it all jacked up. I just gotta rip it off and take it into the shop and spray it around. Oh, it's gonna come off. I think it should be fine in the driveway like this. I should keep track of our time so we know how long everything's taken me. Maybe we can do a video of how my whole day goes. But right now it's 9:55. I think it's been at least 45 minutes since I took this tire off. So I had to do other things and answer the phone. And I got one guy that's from out of state that's stuck out the hotel where his transmission only has reverse. And then I've got another one of my good customers that's out of state that called me and is having problems with some trailer wiring. So just having a wonderful day. Let's try to hand torque all the wheels here. Hey. Let's see what we gotta go do next. It's almost 10:30. The Mac Tool guy's here. We got a couple new tools. Now we're working on the Ranger. It's almost 11:15. Got the Ranger done. Now I got a Buick Enclave. Got to put 2 tires on it. Already had 2 new ones already put on the front in another shop because they put some new struts in there and then they didn't align it apparently, and it burned the tires all off to where the cords were hanging out, so now we get to put the other 2 tires on for them. We got busy and forgot to show. We went to lunch and came back and bled the brakes on a Toyota Prius. Scott's over there changing oil on this Mercury. Front brakes on a 07 Toyota Tundra. After you get it jacked up and get the wheel off, you want to take these caliper bolts loose. Helps if you have a really long ratchet like this extended reach one. That sun's beating down on your back, makes you feel good. Nice and warm outside. I think it's 70 degrees today, and it was a week ago it was 30 and snowing. And it's getting kind of depressing seeing all the snow. I'm gonna have to go get a pry bar here.